So we start off today's video with a long to short transformation. Stylist has the scissors and she's cutting the hair into a bob. Wow, this bob has so much thickness and fullness to it. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful blunt bob style, and it is asymmetrical. What an amazing transformation. Wow. So gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more of your favorite long to short transformations. So here we have the stylist cutting someone who had very long hair into a nice, chic, effortless lob haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair transformations, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone getting some color. Wow, I'm not sure what she's drinking, but that looks absolutely delicious. So there is the before. Wow, check out the after. Gorgeous chocolate brown hair coloring with the pixie style. Nice long sideburns on the side. Beautiful. And the way she did the bangs just perfectly framed her face. Such an amazing pixie style. So next up we have another pixie haircut here. Beautiful pixie bob style that the stylist ended up doing for this. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And as you guys know, the pixie bob is a style that features the best of both worlds. Longer in the front, shorter in the back. Absolutely stunning. And then we have another long to short transformation. So she looks like she has about mid-length hair or so. So after the consultation, the stylist decides to cut the hair into this pixie. I love how he extended her natural curls with this. Beautiful bangs in the front. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. There's a closer look at the texture that he created. And he did straighten the bangs and did kind of like a side swept, but she can always blend that in with the textured part in the back as well. Very pretty. So next up we have someone, looks like she has hair just a little bit past the shoulder blade. And her hair does look like it's quite damaged towards the ends. Bam! Beautiful jaw length style bob. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.